How to make money on Freelancer as a voiceover artist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills as a freelancer. So for example, if I was a business owner, and by the way, business owners and individuals come to this platform looking for freelancers like you to hire for a job or to hire for a gig or a project or something like that. And as you can see, hire the best freelancers for any job online or largest freelancer marketplace, any job you can possibly think of, save up to 90% and get quotes for free, pay only when you're 100% happy. So for example, if I was looking for a voiceover artist, I would just come to the platform, click on hire a freelancer, and just go to browse jobs. And this here is for if you are looking for a job, if you are a freelancer looking for a job, and if you want to hire, let's click on I want to hire, and here is where you're going to post a job, but that's not what we are looking for. We need to check the freelancers, especially the voiceover artists. So let's click on hire freelancer, and here you enter what do you need done. So let's go with voiceover artist, click on next, and here you can create a project, but we're not looking to create a project, we want to hire a freelancer by skill. So here let's search for a voiceover artist, writers, logistics experts, virtual assistant, writer, graphic designers. So here you have writers. We need to find a voiceover artist. Here we have translators. So we don't have anything. Let's search by skill categories. Let's just wait for it to load. Seems like the platform is stuck. Let's exit page, and here you can find any skill you're searching for. But let's go back to the main page and let's show you how you can create your own profile in the platform. Let's remove this and let's go with freelancer.com. freelancer.com, and here click on earn money freelancing to create your own profile, and you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, and your email, then your password. But for me, I've already created my account, so I'm just going to log in, and here click on login. It's still incorrect email or username, so let's remove this and let's click on login. So after creating your profile, this is your dashboard in the platform, as you can see, and here you'll be able to finish your profile. As you can see, a profile page, you'll be able to change everything about your profile, and here you can see the amount earned doing projects in this skill or category increases as projects are successfully completed and paid through the site. And here you can see your reviews, the likeliness to accept a project, and here if you want to refer some preferred freelancer identity. If you want to verify your identity, to verify your payment methods, verify your phone number, email, or if you want to connect your Facebook account. And here you can see your location, when you joined, and the recommendations. Here you can change your top skills, or you can add other skills if you want. Also here you can change your portfolio. So here you will be able to verify your email to add portfolio items. So it's a must to verify your email, then you'll be able to add your portfolio items. But let's go back. And guys, I'm going to show you the important things to make money is to look and to find jobs. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here you can go to the browse and you can check the project to see if there is any job that will suit you. So here let's see the jobs or the projects that are posted in the platform. Resume upgrade and LinkedIn enhancement. Budget $30 to $250. I'm looking for a freelancer who can help me upgrade my resume and enhance my LinkedIn profile. Areas of focus for resume upgrade: formatting and design, content and wording, LinkedIn profile. I would like my LinkedIn profile. So this is all the requirements of the job this man posted, and he posted it 3 minutes ago. So you can contact him by clicking on the job or the project, and here you can make him a proposal. Also be aware of scams. If you are being asked to pay a security deposit, or if you are being asked to chat on Telegram, WhatsApp, or another messaging platform, it is likely a scam. Report these projects or contact support for assistance. So be cautious, guys. So here you can go to the proposals, but you'll need first to get your email verified. Hello, looking for a freelancer who can help you upgrade your resume. So those are the people that are doing that job, but he didn't contact them. He wanted someone to contact him. So here you need to verify your email in order to send him a proposal to work with him. So that's how you can find jobs in the platform. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.